Hey gang. Okay, Wednesday afternoon here. Just a little fun one here. Went to the post office and there's a box there. So we've got our first unboxing here. So this is what kind of showed up in the mail today, and I thought I'd share it here to see what we got. So let me open this thing. It is from Lewis Center, Ohio. And I have no idea what's in this box. So let's take a look. And of course, there's a card on top. So read this to you real quick here. I can get it out of the envelope. Okay, it says, "Dear Pinball and Mrs. Pinball, thank you for all you do in the online prepper community." You're welcome. It has been fun watching your channel the last couple of months. I've learned a lot from them. Loved your debut video, Mrs. P, and even made the borscht. It was very good. Cool. Here's some lids you are having a hard time finding and a few little prepper items to try. Seeds are from Dollar Tree. Not sure if they will work or not. Worth a try. Absolutely. Sent a few things for Mrs. Pinball in particular. Best wishes to you both, Lisa. We'll leave it at that. So thank you, Lisa. So let's kind of see. So what we got. So on top, we got a little Easter Bunny kitchen towel. That's kind of cool. And then I see a whole bunch of lids. Let's see. These are in French. Leak-proof. Oh, these are screw-on lids. Leak-proof lids. Cool. Oh, you gotta love this one. This is somebody I know watches the videos. Dog bones. Thank you. That's cool. And of course, we've got, let's see, carrot seeds, spinach seeds, and more peas. I think I just planted 500 peas. Cool. I'm gonna need more. What else do we got? Plant labels. You can never have enough of these. And these little things, too, are great for all sorts of other stuff, especially like scraping the dirt and everything out of your seed trays before you wash them out. You always want to sterilize those cells before you do them again. Just make sure there's no fungi or bacteria in there to ruin your plants. What is this? Crisp Morning Air Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. Mrs. P will love that. Thank you. Okay, this is always the important stuff. Hand sanitizer. Can't have enough of that, right? Another box of leak-proof lids. Oh, these are awesome. Couple of boxes of wide mouth lids. That's cool. I need these. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, definitely. Couple of things of Hungry Jack hash browns. Good prepper stuff. Okay, breakfast. Little powdered eggs, a little bit of that. Poof, you get prepper breakfast. What is this? Wet ones. There you go. Couple of packs of wet ones. Always more good stuff to keep clean with. Good stuff to have. Patty paper squares. These are good too for taking food out to the fire or the grill or whatever it is. Thank you for those. That's for me. More lids. Sweet. My eyes aren't that good. A couple of boxes of regular mouth lids. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And not even more. And a couple of boxes of lids and bands. That is sweet. Lisa, thank you very much. That is greatly appreciated because y'all know I can't find these things. And so that helps me a lot. I'm very happy. At least you guys can get them up in Ohio. So now I've got some extra for canning some more stuff in my everlasting quest to learn how to can more things. I'm getting good on the vegetables. I still haven't got the cojones up yet to do the meat, but I'm getting there. I've watched a couple of TJ's videos on chicken and things like that. So there's some good ones out there on how to do it. So one of these days I will bite the bullet and try. But thank you very much for that. That was very sweet of you. So appreciate it. All right, guys. This one was just for fun. Wanted to share our first unboxing. Have a good one. Enjoy your Wednesday. Pinball out.